Hello everyone, my name is Wayan Diasa from Bali Tour Advisor. Today I'm very happy to bring our lovely guest from the Philippines to explore one of the most beautiful rice terrace in Bali. This rice terrace called Jatiluwih Rice Terrace. This place located in Tabanan Regency, which is around 1.5 hour driving from Ubud Central. The road to get here is very scenic. You will see small village, local temple, and beautiful countryside view along the way. When you are arrived here, you will be welcomed by this incredible view. Green rice terrace stretching across the hills as fast as your eyes can see. Jatiluwih is not just beautiful. It is also UNESCO World Heritage Site, because the local farmers here still maintain a traditional system called subak, an ancient Balinese irrigation method that connects water, nature, community in harmony. Walking around here feels so peaceful. You can hear the sound of the wind blowing through the rice plant, and sometimes you will see the farmers singing or working in the fields. It really makes you appreciate how beautiful and simple life in Bali countryside. If you visiting Jatiluwih, don't forget to take your time to enjoy the fresh air and maybe stop at one of the local restaurants here with a view of rice terraces. It's also a great place to cycling or trekking if you love outdoor activity. So thank you guys for watching my video today, and if you are planning visit Bali, make sure to include Jatiluwih Rice Terrace in your itinerary, and don't forget to follow Bali Tour Advisor for more beautiful destination, local story, and travel inspiration. See you on the next adventure. Bye bye.